Now this brings us to the second half of this assignment, in which you are now to take your header information and your footer information and put it on both of your pages. Very easy to do. Now you could just rewrite it all and then you might miss some, but the easiest way to do it, and be very careful about this, because once you select something, if you hit the wrong key, you can mess it up and get rid of your program accidentally. So what you're going to do is click up here at line 1, and we're going to go all the way down to the end of your navigation, or some of you might want to keep your banner image as well. I'm going to go ahead and keep my banner image. So I'm going to go all the way down to where my banner image ends. I'm going to, and that's on the index page, I'm going to copy, Command C, and then I'm going to go to my Contact Us page. I'm going to get rid of everything that's sitting on here, highlight it. I'm going to paste, Control V, or Command V, I'm sorry, and it copies everything from that other page. And while I still have that in memory, I'm going to come over here to the Dates and Rates page and do the same thing. Again, it's Command V. And on both of those pages now, I have the top part of my page. And then now I'm going to go back over to my index again. And this time I'm going to gather my footer information. So I'm going to come down here. I already have mine kind of set off as footer. And I'm going to select everything from the footer to the end. I'm going to copy. I'm going to come to the Contact Us. I'm going to make a new line down underneath, maybe even leave a few lines, just so I can put the rest of my stuff in between. I'm going to paste my footer information. And then I'm going to my Dates and Rates page. And I'm going to do exactly the same thing. And that's all there is to it. Now on these lines that I kind of made in between here, that's where I'll write the rest of my page. Now some of you don't panic, because what you're going to see when you ask to view this is you're going to just see the top and the footer. And notice there's no space in between, and that's okay. For now, that's okay. All you're going to do is you'll have to make sure that the things are reformatted, or that these pages go ahead and talk to your CSS page, but that you remember how to do that from before. So that's all there is to it. And then you have to, of course, tell your pages, and notice I did not have those programmed yet, so I got an error 404. Never leave them like that. I'm going to come back over here, and all you do to tell it where to go now is you're going to make sure that these are named correctly, and one is going to take you to the home page, the other one's going to take you to Dates and Rates, and the Contact Us. And make sure it's in between your quotes, your quote marks, so that when it goes to them, you'll be able to see that. And you're also going to want to make sure that this link is still there that needs to be. So that's all there is to that. Enjoy.